Before, we had a really nice day for all those Mother's Day events today.
Yes, we really did. Temperatures were nice and comfortable today, warmer by 20 degrees, and it looks like it's going to get even warmer.
Exactly.
Yeah, as we head into our week, guys. We'll show you what's going on as we look at Storm Tracker 6 live double scan radar. We're starting to dry out right now, though earlier today did have a couple of showers popping up with an upper level low that moved on through. All of that energy is starting to weaken, so we'll clear out for the rest of tonight. In fact, speaking of that energy, we've got a picture to show with you and some video from Upper Moreland Township in Montgomery County. This was taken from one of our Action News team members, Candace. You can see the hail there on her patio. We didn't have enough instability in the atmosphere to trigger those showers, even pockets of hail. So all of that moisture is moving on out, and it's mostly clear for the rest of tonight. The high in Philadelphia, well, we were in at 74, so nice to be above average today. Yesterday's high only 54. We're 58 in the city right now, 43 in the Poconos, 57 Reading, 64 there in Cape May. The issue with our forecast right now is that the winds are pretty blustery out of a northwest direction, 25 miles per hour in Philadelphia, 33 for Dover, Millville coming in at 33 miles per hour, and the winds are going to be a factor even as we get into Monday and Monday afternoon. So Satellite 6 along with Action Radar showing you we've got this area of low pressure off the coast of New England, and that did trigger all of the rain we had across our area yesterday, and an area of high pressure as well across the Great Lakes. So we're sandwiched in between these two systems, and you get those winds coming in from a northwesterly direction, and that will be the case as we get into Monday. Future Tracker 6, though, showing you 6 o'clock in the morning. It's not a bad start. Temperatures will be in the lower 50s along the 95 corridor in areas to the south and east, and the upper 40s as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Later in the afternoon, we'll be maxing out in the upper 60s, lower 70s. The winds, however, are going to be a factor. You're going to notice that. Tuesday, however, that warmth certainly continues. 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, most locations will be in the upper 70s. So we've got a summer preview as we go throughout this week. It really starts Wednesday, lasts into Thursday and Friday. The jet stream lifts off to the north. We've got high pressure, this Bermuda high in control, something we typically see in our summer season. So we tap into those warm west to southwesterly winds. 80s and 90s on the way, and you're also going to notice an uptick in the humidity. So we are well ahead of schedule as we look at the forecast. The exclusive AccuWeather 7/8 showing you tomorrow it's windy, winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour, but still plenty of sun, and at 72. Turning warmer on Tuesday, 79 for a high. Wednesday very warm, it is humid, high temperature in at 88. It's hot on Thursday and humid too, a high temperature up to 90. The record is 94. A thunderstorm is likely as we get into Thursday afternoon. Still warm on Friday and at 86 for a high. Saturday, sunshine and clouds and at 79. On Sunday, some sun with a thunderstorm overhead. High temperature coming in at 81 degrees. So it's actually nice to be above average. It's been really chilly and below average. Yeah, so temperatures in the 70s, 80s, and then 90s.
All right.
Perfect. Thanks.